What's going on, guys? So in this video, we're going to talk exactly about where Bitcoin price could be heading and what you should look out for and when you should be buying if you are interested in adding on this bear market. So with that being said, guys, my name is D Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. All of my information is down in the description box below. If you guys do enjoy technical analysis videos, make sure to leave me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel before you guys leave. So with that being said, Bitcoin right now up about $100 and a half a percentage point, currently trading at $21,196. So we got a little bit of a boost today, especially within the last 2 to 3 hours. Again, it's about 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time here where I'm at in California. Just kind of looking at the overall charts. So we did have this little flash bottom here at 17,500 area and then a quick recovery. Okay. So everyone was kind of talking about that $19,000 area, that if it was breached, you know, there could be massive liquidations and so forth and so forth. Guys, these kind of candles that we see here, okay, this kind of candle movement, 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 this kind of candle movement is big whales selling out. Okay, that's not normal price action. Okay, when you see drops that significant, that is heavy investors unloading positions. Now, is that necessarily a bad thing? No. You know, this is the second quote unquote crypto slash Bitcoin crash, last one being 2017-18 area before we started to recover all of 19 before we went on that mega bull run in 2020. But like if you kind of go back in history, right, since Bitcoin kind of came to market, this has been one big long bull market. Yes, there's been some peaks to 20,000 the first time when we dropped all the way down to $4, $5, $3,000, and then we kind of took, you know, about a year to recover, and then we just started to surge higher. We're looking at the same kind of situation yet again, but I think this is going to be a little bit more longer of a time period when Bitcoin is going to be down. So I know a lot of people out there are used to making that quick money where things are going 10x, 100x, 1000x, you know, just literally in what feels like days. I don't think it's going to be that fast of a recovery, but I do think that there's going to be major opportunities, especially in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, if they go ahead and win that case, Solana, and some of the other bigger names in the space. Now, there's also some smaller altcoins that definitely have some good projects that I think if they do make it out of this bear market could potentially be, you know, 100x bangers in the next 2 to 3 years. So the way that you really want to play this is you really want to start dollar cost averaging. Okay, so for me, I've started to dollar cost average into Bitcoin now below 20,000. Okay, now I'm not going to add any more until we drop to 14 to 16,000. That is my next loading zone, and anything below 14,000, my next loading zone is somewhere between 9 and 11,000. Okay, those are going to be my 3 loading zones. Again, I'm going to put an 18-month minimum hold time on all of my crypto that I'm acquiring this year. And I'm looking to make substantial gains coming out of 2023 into 2024. Now, depending on how rampant that this next bull market wants to be, will realistically depend on how long I actually hold all of my holdings. You have to remember, okay, opportunities and wealth is created in a crash. Opportunities and wealth is created in a bear market. This is where you want to be buying, not selling. This is not the time when you want to be writing off crypto or writing off stocks or other asset classes that are taking a decline. This is when you want to be buying. You want to be selling in a bull market, and you want to be day trading in a bull market. Okay, so use those opportunities for the short-term gains, the short-term gains, and the smaller, you know, plays, day trading in and out on the volatility. But you want to actually start unloading your heavy positions in the bull market. You never want to be selling out and saying, no, I'll come back here when Bitcoin is back at 69,000. No, you're going to miss the whole wave. Right now at 20, anything under 20,000 definitely is a load zone. And like I said, 14 to 16,000 is another load zone. I think the ultimate price before this is over, Bitcoin probably gets down somewhere between that $9,000 and $12,000 range. Now, if we do lose 9, okay, we've got a lot of room to go. Like I'm talking 3 to 5. I don't know if we're going to go that low. I don't have a feeling we're going to go that low. I think we stay somewhere between 9 and 12 on this one. If we can just kind of look at the price action here, we've got heavy supply zone here at around 32, 33,000. We've got another heavy supply zone here at around 22 to 24,000. We've got some more supply here at 42 and obviously at 48. So if you kind of look at this, this is perfect staircase down, right? So what we are doing right now is going to be accumulating somewhere between 20 and 24,000 before the next leg down. And I think that next leg down is going to be the ultimate loading zone where you're going to want to get in. And then I think there's going to be a process where we kind of stay between 9 and 14,000 for 6 months, 8 months, 7 months, 10 months, so forth and so forth, before we really start to recover a lot of these losses. Now, again, if you're very impatient and you're looking for that overnight lottery ticket, this is not going to be it. The only way to really make substantial amounts of money really fast in the markets is to have a substantial amount of money and day trade in and out on the volatility. But again, if you're looking for that big play, that 10x or that 5x or that 25x or 100x, you want to be loading on these terms. Again, I gave you guys all of my levels that I'm going to be looking at and watching and where I'll potentially be loading. If you guys do like this video, make sure to comment down below. Let me know what kind of other technical analysis videos you guys want to see on other different cryptos. I'll be sure to get those out for you as soon as possible. If you guys want to join my Discord, that link is down in the description box below, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.